Shout it out. That's right. Iggle, piggle, iggle, onk. We're going to catch the Ninky Nonk. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. Catch the Ninky Nonk. What's that? Can you hear a noise? I wonder what it is. If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Ponk. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see? Omliboo, Tombliboo, knock on the door. Omliboo, Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Omliboo, Tombliboo, here is my nose. Omliboo, Tombliboo, that's how it goes. Who's here? It's the Ha-Hoos. Ha-Hoo. Can you say it? Ha-Hoo. The Ha-Hoos. Ha-Hoo. Looking up, looking down, here, there, and all about. What else can you see? That's right, it's the Tittifers. Let's listen to their song. Who's here? It's Makka Pakka's cave. Is he in? Yes. Hello, Makka Pakka. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Makka Pakka, appa yakka, ika akka oo. Hum dum, akka pang, ing ang oo. Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do. Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye, Upsy Daisy. See you later, I'm sure. It's the Pontypines. All together, off we'll go. It's Iggle Piggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, wiggle, nickel, diggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, nickel, wiggle, woo.